In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add Tap to Cash to your control center on iOS 18. This feature makes sending money easy and fast. You can send Apple Cash to someone by just holding your iPhone close to theirs. There's no need to share phone numbers or email addresses, making it a quick and safe way to transfer cash. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. Once you're in the control center, tap on the plus button, located at the top left corner. Next, tap on Add a Control. This will reveal all available options. To quickly locate Tap to Cash, use the search bar at the top. Simply type in Tap to Cash and watch as it appears in your search results. After finding it in your search results, select Tap to Cash. This will automatically add it to your control center, making it readily accessible whenever you need it. You also have some customization options. You can adjust its size or rearrange its position among other controls by simply dragging it around. This allows for a personalized setup that fits your preferences. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.